that? Oh, I like your shades. Wait, let me find my shades like that,
The
okay?
man is being reading.
What?
The man is reading.
Reading? What are you reading? Oh, I cannot find that shades. Wait. Oh, I don't have like that. Oh, I have. Rock and roll. 6, 7, 6, 7. Okay, so how are you tonight? Oh, I don't have like that. How did you do that?
Ha ha ha.
How about this? Oh, I only have a corgi. How did you do that? Cannot find it here. Oh, is it in avatars? No, it's not supported. Party, party, just dance, 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 dance. Okay, so now are you ready to start with our class?
Yes.
Okay, so teacher will be sharing the screen, okay? All right, so now just give me a few seconds. Okay, so
Teacher is play.
what? How about that? Can you see it already? Can you see our screen?
No.
Are you sure? No, you're already writing. Okay, so now maybe our topic is all about this one, okay? Short A. So what you're going to do is you need to read and match, and then write. Okay, so now please read.
Jam.
Oh, you're doing okay, yeah. Okay, so now what's next? What are you going to do next? You are going to
Writing.
write. Okay, write the word young. Did you erase that? Okay, young. And then, okay, and write the word young.
No to the side.
What?
Writing.
What's wrong? Is there something wrong? Dance, 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 dance. Okay. Alright, so write the word yum after you match the picture and the okay. Okay, that's okay, that's okay. Okay, next word, fun. Okay, what is our next word? Our next word is number 2 is okay, what is our number 2, baby?
Number 2 is fan.
Okay, so now can you please find the picture of a fan? Alright, so and what you're going to do is you need to write the word fan. Go, go, go. Go, go, go.
Teacher.
Oh, why? Is there any problem? Okay, fun. You can do like this, baby. You can do like this. Like that. Okay, that's great. Okay, and write the word fan.
F-A-N.
F-A-N.
I-N.
F-A-N. F-A-N. All right, good job. How about number 3? What's number 3? Okay, what is number 3? Tap. Wow. Okay, how about match the word tap? Okay, how about the matching? Okay, match the word tap to the picture and to the right. Oh, what's that? What's what's that? I cannot read it. Okay, so what's next? What is this, baby? What's that? Oh, did you write already the word dad? Oh, you're going to write everything before. Okay, all right, good job. And Max. Uh, Max. Okay, all right. Wow.
Cô đang bảo con làm gì đấy?
Okay. Oh, you are so good. You're doing it on your own way. I like it. Okay, what's next? Okay, hat. Okay, next. All right. And the last one, dad. And dad, you forgot the dad. Yay! Very good. Okay, and now here is your stars,
Okay,
stars,
teacher.
stars, stars. What? Wow, you got a lot of stars. Okay, good job, baby. Yeah, all right. So now, oh, and you want some hearts? Okay, so now let's proceed with the lesson, read and check. Okay, so now can you please read this one? Okay, read this one, then kindly check the correct boxes, okay?
Khi hôm đấy nhá, ngồi ở dưới nhá, tao ngồi ở trên, tao đang ngồi ở dưới á.
Okay, the man has a rug.
Okay.
Okay, how about next? Okay, how about number 2? Can you please read it? A cat is on the mat. Okay, how about number 3? Number 3 is... Okay, so now can you please read the right answer, the one that you check? Okay, can you...
A man has a cup.
Okay, next.
A cat has a map.
A cat is on the mat.
A cat is on the mat. I see a ram at the dam.
Okay.
The ant is on the cam.
Alright, good job. Give me a high five, please. High five. High five. Okay, good job, baby. Okay, so now let's proceed. Let's have a look at the next page, okay? We are going to have page 23. Let's play a game. So
Okay.
now, all right. So do you know how to do this one?
No.
Do you know how to play this game?
Yes.
Okay, so let's play a game like this, okay? Okay, so what you're going to do is, since we cannot spin the wheel, you're just going to read each word. Okay, so what is this? What is
Teacher,
this
play
one?
game is
What?
teacher here.
I cannot
It's a
spin the
big
wheel.
circle.
What?
A big circle.
A bicycle? Where?
Big circle. Big circle. Teacher, a big circle.
Okay, can you circle it?
A big circle.
What's that? What's the big circle? Oh, let's
Six.
make like this. Wait, let's make like this. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait. Let's do like this.
Here, teacher.
Let's do spin the wheel like this. Can you see the screen right now?
Yes.
Okay, so we got how many numbers was that? 1, 2, 3. Okay, only 3. So teacher will be making 1. Okay,
Two.
so next
2, 3,
2.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10.
Oh, do you want until 10?
Yes.
Okay. Wait, I don't know how to do this one. 1, 2. Okay, like
3,
this. 3.
4, 5, 6, 7, 9,
Okay.
10.
All right, so this will be our. Okay, so teacher will be putting this one in here. Can you still see the spin? Can you still
Okay,
see it?
teacher.
Okay, so can you still see it? Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Can you still see it?
Yes.
Okay, so now let's spin. Okay, who go first? You or teacher?
Me.
Okay, so this is for you, okay?
Alex.
Okay, what number is that? Number 2. Okay, you put a blue circle at the number 2, which is the man. Okay, you count 1, 2. Okay, it's teacher's turn. All right, number 8. Yay! So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I got the ladder, so I need to step down here. Okay, your turn. Okay, another 2 for you. Okay, make a circle. Oh, what's that? Okay, so maybe as much as I wanted to continue this one, but we already finished our time, then I still have a class after this. So let's just play the game next time, okay?
Bye-bye,
Bye
teacher.
bye, good night.
Bye-bye, teacher.
Bye bye, see you again next time.